Hi guys, welcome back at Harbor Freight. Looking at some jacks. Don't worry about the price. I got a $50 coupon. I had to go to a different Harbor Freight to pick this up. Don't want to talk about it now, but here it is. Daytona 3-ton low profile jack. I'm going to take it right out the box and do an oil change. Why not? And I'm going to use my 3-ton big red jack stands. Don't forget the vevor car repair stool. Can't wait. Box is open. You can tell this thing is heavy duty. Directions, can't live without them, even with something like this. I'll say this. This thing is beautiful. I know the first thing I have to do is remove this block. This block right here. I should have warned you guys earlier. This thing is heavy. Be careful when you take it out of the box. You know what? I'll skip step 1 and attach the handle first. Don't worry, you'll be fine. It's an easy step. Just get it out the way. Now we can remove the block, but they want us to do it a certain way. They want you to hold the handle socket down as you're removing the block. Easier said than done. I had to get my tool shop flathead. Finally, it's off. You could toss it to the side. Let's move on. I want to attach the handle to the socket handle. If you're having trouble turning the set screw, get a socket. Why not a socket out of the Husky mechanic tool set? Once you put the handle in the socket handle, tighten the set screw. We have to get rid of any trapped air, but in order to do so, we have to remove screws from the cover plate. Get a Phillips and just follow my lead. 1 down, 1 to go. Whoa, look at me. I'm on this stool. I couldn't wait to use it. I love it already. Make sure you remove the screws closest to the front wheels. Plate is open, but don't forget to put those screws back, okay? Use your flathead to remove the plug. Trust me, I'll get it. If I don't do anything else, I will remove this plug. Done. What's next? Let's get the air out. Have to turn the handle counterclockwise. That's what they want. That's what we're going to give them. Heads up, make sure this set screw and handle is positioned to a T. It almost has to be perfect. You know what I mean? Like these directions. Okay, let's pump the handle to get the air out. So the directions read 10 to 15 times to get the air out. I might do more than that. Yeah, I went over, but I'm trying to get as much air out as possible, as you can see. Got some hydraulic jack oil. Bought it from Harbor Freight. Okay, I'll add hydraulic oil to the jack. On second thought, I'll wait until I get a smaller funnel. Doesn't need oil right now anyway. We got to give this thing a nickname. I'll figure it out. Let's see how good it really is. Don't forget the big red jack stands. This is a great combination. What a perfect union. FYI, make sure the set screw is in the right way so that the handle can lift the jack. I'm ready, guys. I'm ready. First time using a 3-ton jack and jack stands. Don't forget the other side. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye.